Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all. Good morning, children. I hope you know prepositions is coming in UT. In your UT syllabus, do you have prepositions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're going to have revision this week, I told you, because we're going to have UTs in the next week. So we'll have a revision of prepositions, modals, determiners, everything which is coming, we're going to have a revision. Children, please prepare your answers for the first 5 sentences.
Ma'am,
Suitable prepositions. Yes, Peter.
ma'am, we have not done article writing yet.
We have already done article writing.
No, ma'am.
In your section, we have not done.
No, ma'am.
Actually, it was not your class yesterday. Chalo, then I'll do article writing with you first. Hold on just a second. I did it with the other section, so I thought maybe you have also done. Article writing is very simple.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Wait, I'll just start with the article writing. Determiners, prepositions, we have already done. I'll be taking up revision better only these 2-3 days with you, so that you feel confident.
Morning, ma'am.
Articles we'll be doing today. First of all, you need to know the format of articles. You will give a suitable title and then you will write your name by XYZ or by PQR, anything. So first you'll have to give a suitable title and then you will write the article. See, format of an article, you need to write title or heading and then you need to describe. Let's do this. See this. Look at the picture. There's a massive jam of vehicles.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Traffic in metro cities. Taking clues from the picture and using your own ideas. You have to do both. Clues from the picture, use your own ideas, write an article in about 120 words, depicting the existing state of traffic and suggesting the ways and means to improve the conditions. Did you understand the question, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
We are going to see this picture, describe the causes, the problems, and also suggestions to improve the conditions. Chalo, first you people do, and then I'll show you the article. Let's see how close you are or what suggestions come up. You people tell me the causes of traffic jams.
Ma'am, over air pollution. Ma'am, air pollution, noise pollution.
Ma'am, time wasting. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat the question, ma'am.
We are asking why do we have traffic jams? First, we'll talk about the causes. Why do we have such massive traffic jams? First, we'll talk causes.
Ma'am,
Speak
because
Ma'am,
of the
because of any
number of the
accident.
vehicles.
Okay, there are number
Ma'am,
of
because
vehicles.
of any accident occur on the
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
of large
increment in
population.
number of.
Because of
Yes.
large population.
Yes, very good. We have a large population, so obviously vehicles are too many. People don't even want to walk a little. For small distances also, what do people do?
Ma'am, use a bike or car.
Yes, they use a bike or a car. So obviously we're going to have more number of vehicles on the
Instead of public transport like bus, train.
Very good. Yes, beta. Then this is one reason why we have this. Now, can you tell me the effects of this? What problems we people are going to face because of this?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the ambulance is
pollution
stuck in.
and ma'am, exhaustion of the fuels.
Very good. One day will come when all the petrol, diesel, our fuel will finish. Right, very right. What else problems will take place because of this?
Ma'am,
Jam.
breathing problem.
And wastage of time.
Yes, wastage of time, breathing
Ma'am,
problem, health issues, pollution. Noise pollution, how?
by the horn.
Yes, by
Ma'am,
the horn.
wastage of fuel.
Wastage of fuels, no doubt. Air pollution. How are we having air pollution?
Ma'am, it can affect the ozone layer also.
Yes, it
Yes,
can
ma'am.
affect the ozone layer. So we are causing pollution of air as well by these traffic jams. Very good. What else? Any other problem? Somebody talked about an ambulance.
Yes,
Critical
ma'am.
care.
If an ambulance stuck, ma'am, it cannot move because of the traffic, ma'am. So there is a chances of patient to,
Yes,
ma'am, to be serious.
very good, very good. This is one reason, no doubt. And then tell me your suggestions now. What can be done?
Using bicycles.
Bicycles is no doubt a very good suggestion. But if you have to go somewhere, then
Ma'am,
what should
those
we do?
those
Ma'am,
who
using electric
do not
car.
have to go
Ma'am, use
far
public
places can use
services.
bicycles and
Yes, use public vehicles, use bicycles,
Ma'am,
public
using
ma'am,
vehicles.
footpath.
Ma'am, using electric car or ma'am bike.
EVs also coming in now, electric vehicles also, though they have their own disadvantages. But of course, electric vehicles, disadvantage is there. What else? What other suggestions will you
Ma'am, we
give?
can use footpath.
Hmm?
Ma'am, we can use footpath for nearby places to go.
Basically, you mean to say to walk for short distances, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, everyone should avoid unnecessity of vehicles. Ma'am, like
Yes.
there are two members in home and they are using four bikes.
Very good, very good. Perfect. Very nice suggestion. Yes, Ayush Singh, you want to say something? Please say.
मैम मैं ये भी कह रहा था
Ma'am, do
Okay.
not use old vehicles because it produces lot of pollution.
Yes, very good. Dhruv Sharma, you want to say something? Say.
मैम
Ma'am,
गवर्नमेंट शुड
I want
इंक्रीज
to
द
ask one thing.
Government should increase.
मैम गवर्नमेंट शुड इंक्रीज द फैसिलिटी ऑफ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट एज पर द नीड ऑफ पॉपुलेशन
Excellent, excellent. Very nice. Nice suggestion.
Ma'am,
Acha.
government should increase the price of driving lessons.
Okay. It should be
As
difficult. You mean taking
after
driving
18,
not
after 18, all the people are taking driving lessons and driving on the road.
Arey, people are driving even without license. Beta. Chalo.
Ma'am,
Just
in,
read what they have written.
foreign, this is the main reason.
It is most in other countries. Let's read what they have written. Come on, I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. All of you, please read the article that they have written. See, by ABC. You have to write this. Your name or whatever name is given, or if nothing is there, then by ABC PQR. Please read the article.
Ma'am, which book we have to buy this year for the English grammar and English creative writing?
That the principal sir was saying the book has already come at Saraswati Sadan. Okay, you know Saraswati Sadan?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Some new book has already arrived. Sir was saying. So, I think full
Ma'am, what
marks.
is the
Full marks. The name of the book is Full Marks.
ma'am, what is the meaning of leaf?
Which word, beta? Which line?
Ma'am, first line.
Leaps and bounds. Leaps and bounds is a proverb. Proverb means very fast. Leaps and bounds. We say he's growing leaps and bounds. He's becoming rich leaps and bounds. Matlab very fast. Something is happening very quick, very fast. Leaps and bounds.
Okay.
Please
Okay,
read the
ma'am.
article.
And what is the meaning of chaotic state?
Chaotic means confused state. Chaotic, confusion, where nothing is in an orderly manner.
Ma'am, done.
Beta, let others also read it. If there's any word children are not able to understand, let me know. Once you've read beta, all of you, let me know.
Ma'am, done.
Boys, once you people finish, let me know.
Ma'am, done.
Only one boy is saying done.
What is the meaning of verses?
Which word, beta?
No verses.
Just say the spelling. Let me see if some of your friends can help you. Speak out the spelling.
Ma'am, it is written there. Ma'am, WORSENS.
Worsens. It becomes worst. Worsens
Okay.
means to become worst.
Done, ma'am.
बहुत ही हालत हो जाए. Now tell me, children, did you read anything which we did not talk about? Tell me. We discussed also. So did we miss out something which is there in this article? Speak out. You've already read it.
Ma'am, the flyovers should be made.
Very good. We missed out this point, flyovers. What else, children? Speak.
Ma'am, we should follow traffic rules.
Yes, we should follow traffic rules. What else?
Ma'am, for
Ma'am, we
public.
can make wider roads.
Did we miss out anything else?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, for public there is a making of zebra crossing.
Ma'am, wider roads.
Yes, wider roads, zebra crossings. Yes, I think most of the points we had already discussed, no? That we should all
Ma'am,
follow.
traffic police is
Yes, we did not even talk about the role of traffic police. We should have taken that also. Yes, good. Anji Bita, anything else we missed out? Or everything we have covered?
And what is the meaning of agony?
Okay. Okay, fine, Bita. One more thing. I'm making you practice articles. I'll not tell you to write today. Don't worry. I'm showing you another picture. Okay. Mm,
ma'am, divider is made on road.
we can have dividers also. Please read the question and see the picture which is given to you and give me a suitable title for the article. Read the question, see the picture, give a suitable title. Title is very important in an article.
Ma'am, read.
Better, let's wait for others also. Let them plan. Please plan a suitable title and tell me. Read carefully everything which is written in the box. Yes, children, ready? Children, are you all ready? Beta, give a suitable title. Start.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen, ma'am. May I?
You cannot see the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell what is in the picture?
Sorry. Beta,
Ma'am, that
please
traffic one.
describe your friend what all is there. There are so many things on the screen. Come on, children, help your friend describe what all you can see on the screen. We are talking about obesity. Okay. So there are so many pictures on the screen related to obesity. How people become fat. What are the bad effects of obesity? All these.
May I send the screenshot?
No, you can send him. If he has problems, you send him better. Children, give me a title.
Ma'am, fitness the first priority.
Excellent. That's the first priority. Very nice heading. Anyone else? Come on, others.
Ma'am, send it.
Thank you. Send. Now tell me some suitable title. Suitable title for this article. Come on, children, please tell.
Ma'am, obesity and epidemic.
Oh, obesity and epidemic. Yes, it is becoming gradually epidemic only. You are right. Yes, children, more people. Tell me more headings or more titles for this. Tell me quickly.
Ma'am,
Okay.
lose your X and see your result.
Oh, this is nice. Very interesting. Okay, don't tell the heading now. Giving you 2 minutes. Tell me the causes of obesity.
Ma'am, lack of exercise.
Vivek, keep on speaking, children. One point will not help out. Everybody has to speak. Continue. Very good. Excellent.
Eating junk food.
Ma'am, eating oily food.
Very good. Very good. Lot of junk food, no exercise. Come on, more reasons, causes
Ma'am,
of obesity.
overeating.
Yes, overeating. Other students, better girls, there's nothing coming from you. Please speak out.
Ma'am, obesity causes many diseases, very harmful diseases.
Any other
Ma'am,
causes?
ma'am, physical inactivity.
Very good. Physical inactivity. So these are the causes.
Ma'am,
What are the
obesity.
obesity is there? What are the effects, children?
Ma'am, laziness.
Okay, now tell me what will
Overweight.
be if a person is fat, then what problems he will face? Now come to effects, everybody. What diseases,
Ma'am,
what
he will become lazy
Ma'am,
and
poor
unable
mental
to
health.
do any work properly.
Ma'am, poor
Ma'am,
mental health.
See, excellent. Once a person is obese, he's going to have all
Ma'am,
these problems.
clothes are not fit on body.
Clothes are not fitting, so special clothes needed. This is a good one. Shoes also then to. Shoes
Lack
also.
of proper work of brain.
Very good. Come on, children. More ideas. Only few students speak in this class.
Ma'am,
Bolo bhai.
heart disease.
Heart diseases. Very good. Tell me more problems.
Ma'am, reproductive disability.
Ma'am, liver disease. Ma'am, liver will become fatty.
Ma'am, diabetes.
Yes, heart diseases, diabetes. Now you give your
Ma'am,
suggestion.
genes problem.
Yes, genes problem. Now you give your solutions. What all people should do so that they do not face the problem of obesity?
Ma'am, proper exercise, healthy food, avoid junk food,
Avoid?
do daily exercise,
Yes, very nice. What else?
avoid junk food,
Avoid?
junk food,
Yes, very good. What next?
Ma'am, do meditation.
Meditation.
eat fruits and eat fruits,
Yes, eat fruits. Very nice. What next?
Eat less carbohydrate containing food.
Very good. Eat less of carbohydrate foods. Excellent, Beta. Very nice. So I hope you've understood how to write articles after seeing the picture.
Ma'am, people call fatty person.
This is one more problem. Huh? People will tease.
do meditation,
Do meditation. He's doing. People are running also.
Ma'am, change in diets.
Yes, we can do this also. Changing this. Let's do this. This is electric vehicle. Just now you people were talking about EVs. In short, we call them as EVs, electric vehicles. Tesla is making a lot of EVs. Please read the advantages and disadvantages. We'll just go through this. This is an electrical vehicle. So this will get charged. This car is going to get charged by electricity. Okay. Just go through the points, advantages and disadvantages. Then we'll discuss this article as well. Read the disadvantages also.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, children, others also plan. Then we'll talk about a suitable heading. Think of a suitable title. Yes, beta. Suggest a suitable title.
Ma'am, electric car really a lifesaver? Question mark.
Oh, this is nice. Very nice. The question mark. Very nice way of giving the title. Good, very good. Yes, children, what about others? Please plan a suitable title. Hurry up, hurry up. Let us not waste time. You have to just give a suitable title. That's it.
A step to save environment.
Very good, very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes, what else?
electric cars are boon or a ban?
Electric cars, boon or bad? Very good. This is a nice one. Yes, tell me what else? Okay, now start describing what all you saw in the PDF. Start. Start, beta. Speak, beta. What all you have read, you speak. What happened, children?
Ma'am, I am giving the title next.
Give now, beta. That's what I'm asking. Please give. Why so much of silence all of a sudden?
Ma'am, these types of EV vehicles are not uh,
Yes, yes. Tell whatever is coming to your mind, you speak out. Very good. Dhananjay, yes, tried. Others? Please try at least. There are so many disadvantages also given. Tell me the disadvantages of EVs.
Ma'am, can I give advantage?
Yes, you give advantages. One of you give advantages, the other will give disadvantages. Speak better.
Ma'am, first advantage is that ma'am, these cars move automatically.
Ma'am, may I give one disadvantage?
Please give.
The disadvantage of electric cars are they cannot move at a high distance. If we have to travel a long
Okay.
distance, they
Longer
can't cover.
distance.
They need
Long distance. Very
charge.
good. Okay, bache. Very nice. Yes, children,
Ma'am,
what next?
one more disadvantage is that they are very costly.
Yes, because they are costly. It was mentioned here that they're 30 to 40% more expensive. Very good. Go on, keep speaking. Any advantage, any disadvantage which comes to your mind.
Ma'am, EV cars are no.
Very good, very good. Please keep trying. Very nice.
EV cars are good. Petrol or diesel car.
Very nice. Compared to petrol and diesel cars, this is a nice suggestion. Yes, children, next. बेटा ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? You'll have to speak out.
Ma'am, disadvantages of EV cars are their build quality is not good
Oh, yes, as of now,
as
we don't have.
comparison to diesel and petrol because they can load out heavy work, but EV cars do not.
Okay, he says EVs cannot take on heavy load. That's okay. Fine. Next.
Ma'am, their fuel stations cannot be provided everywhere.
Very
Like
good.
in
We cannot.
village, there is no electricity.
Very good. Very good. Like we have petrol pumps everywhere. Do we have electric fuel stations?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is in Ghaziabad, but not in all the UP.
But very few places, no? Like petrol pumps you will find everywhere. But you will not have these electric fuel stations everywhere. So this is one cause.
Ma'am, as the electric fuel station cost is costly to design.
Yes, it is costly. Very nice, very nice. Another thing I'll shade on your screen. Please see and give a suitable title.
Ma'am, what is skill development program of government of India?
Skill development actually means for students who are studying in school and colleges to teach them something which will help them to make the living, make money. Okay. For example,
For the growth of economic.
For example, in government schools, the students are taught how to do carpenter work, painter work. This basically helps them in what? In earning their living. This is called skill development. Anything which can help a person to survive. See the flow chart and give me a title.
Skill development necessary for all.
Excellent. He's given a very different title. Skill development necessary for all. Good, beta. Others, come up with your suggestions. You have to give a suitable title. That's it.
Skill development step to
Skill development step 2. Very nice.
Make everyone a
step to
skilled
literate
person.
India.
Oh, this is also nice. This challenge one also is good. There was somebody else also who was speaking. Please speak.
Making everyone a skilled person.
Okay, making everyone a skilled person. Nice. Now give me details of what you can see on the screen.
Ma'am, skill development will help. It will help in economic growth of the country.
Yes, no doubt. Perfect. Speak more points. There are so many things on your screen, children. Come on, speak.
By skill development, any child can do anything. That which job
It will enhance a person's personality.
Yes, it enhances because you get more confident when you know something. These days, you must have seen in the market a lot of coding and all this has started. These are all skill development only for students. Coding classes and all that has started. Now, this is what? This is skill development for well-off people. And in government schools, we have this. They're taught how to plumbing, plumber work, carpenter work, all this is being taught to them. So that whatever little education they are able to take, after that they are able to earn their living. Okay, they don't have to struggle, that they're not able to earn money because of this. Okay, this is skill development. Now you suggest some skills which can be taught to school students and students in cities.
Ma'am, skill development let the students to not sit idle, or the
Very
people
good.
of the country also, to not to become asset to the country, become liable, not to become liable to the country.
Very good. But everybody is going to find a job. Okay, if you have a skill, you can work on your own as well. That is what the government is trying. Tell me more skill programs you suggest now. You suggest some life skill program for the schools?
Ma'am, some marketing
PD lectures
suggestion.
from our
First, let me hear what that girl was saying. Bachi, what did you say? Just say again.
Ma'am, some marketing, idea, something.
Yes, we can take that as well. Some new marketing ideas. Okay, fine. Tell me more, children, that you can suggest for students to learn. In student life only they can learn. They can learn something which can help them to make money as well. These are all skills. Think of something more which can be taught to students, which will help them in their growth. I just talked about coding and all, no? For city students. We're talking about the students who live in cities. Think of some nice idea which will help them to become more confident, earn more money. See, fashion designing has been introduced in some schools as vocational program. Fashion designing is one. Computer graphic designing is one more. Such kind of fields. Now suggest more. I suggested you. Graphic designing. Marketing is already come. Very good. What next?
Ma'am, drama.
What better? Acting and drama. Okay, nice. Anything else you can think of? Art. What about art, children? Art is one more field.
Yes,
art
yes.
and art. Many people can make their living in art and painting. They can draw something. Advertising is one more. A diploma or a course in advertising where they will be framing
marketing.
How marketing has come to us. Okay. Yes, children, more. Good. Now you tell me how these life skills will help students. We've talked about so many things that we should teach the students. Let us talk about how they are going to help them. Tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Let's
Ma'am,
talk
it
about
will give confidence.
Ma'am, these skill development program will help in optional.
Yes, they are optional, but how will they help students? Because this is what we are discussing. If
Ma'am, it will give confidence.
Yes, it will give confidence, no doubt, that they have a skill, extra skill, which can help.
Ma'am, by conducting summer camps and all.
Ma'am, they will get a experience, some good experience.
Conducting summer camps in schools where we can teach them these skills. So